Explanation on how to use the right condom. Here are some tips for using condoms. 1. Choose a condom with a guaranteed brand. Today there are many variations of condoms. Even so, choose those who are already national standards.
2. Buy condoms in a trusted store and make sure to check the expiration date. Although there are many online stores that sell condoms, it's best to check carefully and make sure to buy at a trusted online store. When the goods arrive at hand, check the expiration date. And before you use it, you have to check the expiration date first.
3. Immediately install after erection, release when still erect. After the penis erects, immediately install the condom. And if it's finished, release it immediately before the penis becomes limp. If the penis is weak, sperm will spill.
4. Maximum usage of 30 minutes. Some people like bed activities for a long time. It could be that they need foreplay and the like. Whatever it is, use it for a maximum of 30 minutes. If the session you love is long enough, more than 30 minutes, replace it with a new one. Why is that? Because friction during intercourse sometimes unconsciously can cause the condom to tear.
The longer it is used, the higher the chance of blisters and damage. If you are not planning a pregnancy, a condom is leaking, immediately go to a clinic or pharmacy. Consult what happened. Usually they will provide pregnancy prevention advice. When condoms leak, besides the risk of pregnancy, it also causes the risk of transmitting sexual diseases. So it's good to immediately do a health test.